Let's continue our Web Native API cycle, and in this video we're going to speak about Intersection Observer API. It's a really useful API, and I guess you saw it's used in actual production ready code, etc, etc. So all code or open source code and this playground in description, and in summary I will explain all stuff for views, Svelte, etc. So now let's check. It's some simple demo, but it's shows us a lot. Intersection observer. If we scroll, you see hidden right now, and now element is visible. Now it's hidden again. Easy. Yeah, but I guess you understand that you can use it for most for important cases, not like here just some block with I. For important cases, it's like for some pagination, for some performance issues where you need to show element only when you scroll to this element, some some hard animation or some 3D, etc. And like, yeah, it's really useful. Let's check where it's supported, but I guess it's supported everywhere. Let's check if right. I didn't check it myself. Yeah, it's supported in every browser, so you can understand that its feature is really useful and really important when you see like this marks everywhere with supported true. So it means it's supported everywhere, and we can use it in every browser. In my case we check it in Chrome, but it's not gonna be any difference in another browser. For example, Firefox, it's the same. Yeah. So now let's go to code part. I will explain to you how it's look. Intersection observer demo you can find by this path and use intersection. In this hook it's all really easy for me. I did a simple example for you, so you can try to do some good trigger from this one. Actually we just need some constant and a new observer. New intersection observer is the most important part. It's Web Native API. And a new intersection observer we do some entry point. And entry point is if it's visibly it's like is intersecting. Like if it's in our view it's gonna be intersecting this entry. Otherwise it's gonna be visible false. And only if it's intersecting it's true. You see it's even like entry is intersecting, it's like boolean. Yeah, you see in their tip it's a boolean. Intersect with intersection observer root. Yeah, so it's good. In observer we need observe all this. In React it's ref current, but in other it's gonna be similar. And when we end this we need to disconnect observer. So let's check how this hook actually works in our demo. In our demo, if we check, we have ref. This ref we need to actually do this root of intersection observer, and is visible for use intersection. With this ref, pay attention, we assign this ref here, with this ref and some options. In our case, options is threshold 3. Like threshold, it's a number. You can do it for a smooth appearance. Like let's do 1, and for one, even if it's a bit in intersection, it's already gonna be triggered. Yeah, and otherwise no. Next, for our motion, I use framer motion to show it to you for you a bit more, in a cool animation stuff way. And it's visible. It's a state to check if it's visible or not. And if it's visible, we do some animation there and rotate it, and we actually see this card. And if it's invisible, we just don't see it at all. So it's only visible when it's visible. It's true. Easy and understandable. We just need to assign the ref to some of the block. In my case it's motion div, but just imagine it's like just div. You can assign it to any block, this ref, and then use it. So only this element is observable for intersection. It's all what I want to show you in this video, and we can go to summary now. Let's go. just some summary about any hook that I showed you before in the video. All open source code you can find in description in a GitHub repository that fully open source. And you can also find Playground here. In Playground you can create like add pull request with your own hook, or you can test my hooks that I already added here. It's fully native, you can use it in your projects. I also add filter, but it's just, you know, for some fun. And pay attention, one important thing, you need to enable experimental web platform features for some of the hooks. It's only for most advanced ones, but still in some videos I'm gonna show advanced API hooks, so pay attention that this in Chrome Flux in address, this experimental platform features it's enabled, and then it's all this Playground gonna work for you in a good way. And last thing that I want to discuss with you, all these hooks, it's React way, yeah? It's written on React, but if you want to use Vue or VanillaJS, Angular, Svelte, etc., how you can do it easily. I just want to show you, it's like some bonus. For example, let's take use clipboard. I don't know about what hook I'm gonna speak with this video, because it's summary video. For us, you can take every hook like this, like I showed you. Use clipboard, and you can open like Grok, for example, and in Grok we just can write prompt like you can just go to Vue, VanillaJS, Svelte, etc. Let me even write for Svelte just to show you, and you can just copy these hooks. In my case it's like I will copy it from GitHub, and clipboard demo I also gonna copy all this code for clipboard demo, and I also add this here in a Grok in my way, but you can use GPT, DeepSeek, whatever AI model you want. And here you can see that it just can easily convert this React way to another framework, even vanilla JavaScript. You see, because the most important one usually it's API itself. But if you don't want like to rewrite it yourself, you can just ask it like this. And you can see that in VanillaJS even it's created some use clipboard functions, like here it's named it in React use hooks way, in React community way. But in Vue, how you know, in a Vue 3 use hooks with this convention, like from React. Here we can see for vanilla JavaScript it's created for Vue in composition API. You can also ask in old version of API, not in composition one, but I recommend you use composition, of course, for now in Vue, because it's a modern one. And for example, in Svelte, even it's pay attention, it's not use clipboard, because in Svelte it's usually like functions, but still you see it's created some hook way function with subscribe set for writable. It's a Svelte store here, but in our case it's not matter, and still it's gonna have same logic that I show you in React. It's gonna just copy your clipboard in this way, and for all other hooks it's gonna work different, similar, sorry, not different. Anyway, let's go. With all these knowledges, you're gonna be good in a native web API. Yes, Uncle Ivan.